Here's a piece of news that's not exactly under the radar. Leapmotor, often called the Uniqlo of the car world, quietly sold close to 600,000 vehicles in 2025, becoming a well-regarded choice among domestic new energy brands. Many people who follow Chinese EVs probably have the same question I do. Competition in today's market is so intense, and in Leapmotor's price range, there are tons of rivals. So why has this brand been able to grow against the trend? The answer can actually be found in the Leapmotor all-new C11 right in front of us. First, on a static level, Leapmotor's success today comes down to choosing the right direction. The C11, as the model that marked Leapmotor's takeoff, perfectly reflects its philosophy of offering high volume, strong reliability, and affordability. The idea is simple. Everything you should have, it already has. The entire lineup comes standard with LiDAR, a 17.3-inch 2.8K central control screen, and the 8295 chip across all trims, while the front passenger also gets a standard queen seat, ensuring comfort and emotional satisfaction. In terms of mechanical quality, this new C11 also punches above its class. Its chassis features a front double wishbone and rear multi-link suspension, with extensive use of aluminum alloy materials, along with FSD adaptive damping suspension. So when you drive it, it's not just soft, it strikes a very good balance between comfort and handling. The extended range version has also been upgraded to a 41.7 kilowatt-hour battery, and for long winter road trips, the advantages of an extended range setup are very clear. Combined with a 47-liter fuel tank, it can easily handle a 1,000-kilometer journey in one go. Now I'm driving it to give you a feel for its performance. As we get onto an urban expressway and switch to sport mode, the adaptive damping suspension tightens up. It accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 7.6 seconds, and the throttle response is very linear. As you can see, during quick lane changes, body roll is well controlled. It's not soft and floaty like some cars, and the suspension provides solid support. The braking system uses Continental's one-box integrated braking system, along with front 4-piston calipers, achieving a stopping distance of just 117 feet. In colder northern driving conditions, this new C11 also features a safety-enhancing technology called the LMC Dynamic Torque Control System. During aggressive driving or on icy and slippery roads, the system can instantly adjust torque distribution to each wheel to maintain stability. Even in the event of a high-speed tire blowout, the LMC system can respond within 50 milliseconds to stabilize the vehicle. So after seeing the performance of this new Leapmotor C11, from features to mechanical quality to tuning, you can probably understand why Leapmotor ranks among the top in new energy vehicle sales. It all comes down to one thing: exceeding expectations for its class. And in the end, it's worth saying that tuning matters more than just stacking specs. Leapmotor's chassis refinement and premium feel have improved dramatically compared to before. Right now, there are also a series of promotional offers available for the C11. So if you're interested, you can go check it out in person.